Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, TransferTradeSolutions.com on a Friday. This is the 9th of May. We've got stocks kind of in a holding pattern today in front of the tariffs. We've rallied pretty good, obviously coming off the April 7th lows. We're kind of right up against the 200-day on the S&P. Let's actually get right into the charts here. Not a lot to cover. We basically have been going sideways on the indexes literally all week, more or less. Um, Obviously we're at maybe a very important inflection point here where we need to, we that literally could go either way. So starting with the S&P, just real quick, brief. You can see we've been literally trading sideways all week, even as everybody's kind of all hyped up about the rally, whatever. Reality versus perception is a whole different thing. We're just sitting here. 200-day moving average comes at around SPY is about 573, which interesting, we haven't even touched that yet on the SPY. If you draw that moving average on the SPY, similarly, all the other indexes are just kind of doing the same thing here. What's notable is, Apple's still under 200, Nvidia can't get going. All these various stocks that I follow, Avago, kind of just hovering around the slightly above the 200 level and so on and so forth. The notable move this week, which again, we're fortunate enough here. By the way, I'm having a class talking about buying low and selling high. We did buy, nat gas when it was at 3 using the UNG at 15. We've had a really nice move on that. Most of my members took that. That was basically, this is a good example. I'll be covering some of this in the class, so sign up for the class. I'll be doing next. We bought it here, literally right down in here, based on a few factors. I'll cover those in the class if you're interested in something like that. You could have taken futures or obviously, or the UNG or Boyle or any of those kind of derivatives. And now we're up against some critical levels against this as well. So we did multiple contracts on this. We'll be taking some off. Oil also, interestingly, came up for the week there when everybody got super bearish on oil at 55. Looks like that's headed back up into the top end of the range. Dollar looks like it could be breaking out also. Mentioned that the other day. Maybe this is a breakout and a pullback. Shorting the euro would be a good situation there. Rates really kind of dead in the water. And gold somewhat pulling back, still acting as a kind of a counterweight to stocks. This will be interesting if gold and stocks go up at the same time. That could be a good signal here that maybe we're due for another pullback here. So that kind of summarizes everything. Again, sign up for the class this Thursday. Also, give me a thumbs up, put some commentary, and happy Mother's Day, by the way, to all the mothers out there. Okay, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Take care.